Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2014 Jeep Wrangler JK Wrangler Unlimited. It's got a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 18x9 Rockstar 3s made by KMC, and some 35 1250 R18 Americus rugged mud terrain tires. Now, if you want more information on these tire and wheel setup, there should be a link probably here, but for sure somewhere on this page that will link you to the wheel, the tire and wheel matchup video. But our tips and tricks on this 3.5-inch rough country lift kit is, number one, make sure that you have a pitman arm puller. You will be replacing the pitman arm, so either go out and buy one, they're not super expensive, and or rent one at your local automotive store, parts store. The next tip is you add a track bar relocation bracket on the front. You're gonna see that when you disconnect your track bar, the axle will shift. There's a couple different ways to get the track bar back where it needs to go. Option number one is to put the Jeep back on the ground with your tires and wheels on it and turn the steering wheel. That will shift the body, making the track bar line up with the bracket. You for sure need two people with that one. Option number two is to get a jack stand. Not a jack stand, get a jack stand. Put one side of the axle on the jack stand and then get a jack on the other side and jack it up and hope that it shifts over. Option number three is to get a heavy duty ratchet strap and to ratchet it towards whatever direction it needs to go. Those are your three options. That's our tip with that. There is also a rear track bar relocation bracket. The exact same applies as the front, but you cannot do a steering wheel because you have no steering in the rear. So you'll either need a jack stand and a jack and or a heavy duty ratchet strap. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any parts, go to our website. We probably sell them. They're pretty neat. We'll ship them to your door if you want. It's up to you. And if you're looking for a vehicle, specifically a Jeep or anything that could be lifted, go to our website, central-alps.com, and see what we have for sale. We're gonna post all of the vehicles that dealers have for sale on their lots, and hopefully you can find what you're looking for, and you can go call them today and buy it. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.